The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Loudoun County, northwestern Blount County, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Loudoun, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Maryville, Lenoir City, Alcoa, Loudoun, Louisville, Greenback, Friendsville, Philadelphia, Clover Hill, and Calico Village. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile marker 67 and 75. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hawkins County, Hancock County, northern Greene County, northeastern Grainger County, northern Hamblen County, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sneedville to near Rutledge, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingsport, Morristown, Greeneville, Rogersville, Sneedville, Rutledge, Bean Station, Tusculum, Surgoinsville, and Russellville. This includes Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 19 and 45. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a